Now I cut them in smaller pieces, but those are the two main big pieces.
La 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la, la la la.
Alright guys, so welcome back to Stuck on an Island. I'm stuck with you guys and we are always smiling. Let me say that slower, because someone did comment before that they don't know what I'm saying when I do that. Welcome back to Stuck on an Island, where I'm stuck with you and we are always smiling. Talk very fast. But anyway, in this video we're going to be doing a catch and cook. Well, the rabbits are already in captivity. I know it's a touchy topic for a lot of people, you know, saying that rabbits are, you know, they're pets, but so are other animals like chickens, you know, dogs, pigs. Like, people have them as pets. So we're going to be, you know, catching a rabbit, then deciding which one we're going to eat. Typically I did here, if the rabbit is about 3 months old, the meat is a lot tender, and if it's an older rabbit, it's more for roasting. But on today's menu we're going to be doing curry rabbit. Well, not me, I'm just here for the eating. It's going to be done by Orion. So let's go into picking the rabbit, guys. Okay, so Judah is picking out the rabbit, yes?
Anyone you take?
I wanted to try.
To be honest, I feel exceedingly sad that it's I feel it now, bro.
But for us, when they reach about 2 weeks, 14 days.
A subscriber did mention to me once that you know, whenever you take the life of an animal, like, you have to, she said I must say something like, thank you for giving your life from, I don't remember what the case was, but yeah, I'm going to be definitely be doing this for this rabbit today.
Come on, Vaminos. Everybody, let's go.
So normally, what we'd have to do is we'd have to take out everything that is inside and clean it down when we're going to kill it. So we wash, we bleach the entire place.
Alright, so currently we're about to clean down the entire place with bleach and soap, yeah?
Yeah.
And then we'll start on the you watch him horror movie there? This.
Official.
Yep.
With the boots and all.
Yep.
Oh, not the black boots.
Yeah. But the rain, because it look like it might rain.
Alright, so you guys can see like a full thing on your channel as well, right? Because I did watch that.
Yeah, man.
How to dispatch the, not dispatch, but to
cut off.
cut it up, yeah.
Alright. So just going to do a quick thing. Normally when you do it, you have to feel for the joint.
Just like chicken.
So let me ask you a question. When you're selling the meats, like if a regular person comes in and says they want meat, would you cut it up for them or no?
Well, no. We typically just do whole rabbits, and whatever it comes out to, that's what we just give the person.
Okay,
so we
cool.
typically don't cut it up.
But we're about to eat, so.
So we have to cut this guy up.
It's a woman here.
So it's not the hardest thing to do, really.
Yeah, it's
Relatively easy. But you see the surface now is a kind of slippery surface. So it will make it a little bit more difficult to cut because it's actually moving. Alright, so what I would normally do now is I would trim the thing there off the bone.
Why?
Just
debone.
Just to debone it, because the bones are easier. They are hard, sorry, the bones are hard. There.
So we're not gonna get no bone for chop. Okay, damn.
So
Not
unless
in the legs?
in the legs.
Okay.
Unless we keep the legs like how they are.
But you can also debone those.
But you can debone those too. But when I debone, I just the ribs area. So yeah, I go get basically all
The meat.
meat.
Okay, so how much does like a rabbit of this size generally cost?
About 1,500 to like 18 there, about 2,000 something there about.
So as he just mentioned, this will be used as
Soup stock.
so now that's sure with it.
Yeah.
Cool. Alright. Plus you guys have dogs as well, so if you want to.
It can be fed to
the
the
dogs.
animals also.
Alright guys, so this is what the animal produced for us here. Give thanks, thank you for giving a life for us. And I hope the chef today actually makes a very representational meal for this animal, so you cannot do the animal any injustice.
Yeah, I hope so too, 'cause I'm a farmer, not a chef.
Oh my gosh.
Alright, yeah, so we can season them up now, do a little thing and see it.
Alright. So the man take off the butcher
Take
outfit
off.
and now it's time to put on the chef hat there.
You know, say I have one chef jacket in my house there. So I say, would I be it still, but nah, that's gonna be overkill.
So yeah, you know, so yeah. Traditional, I mean, cooking a Jamaican dish and we don't see at least one of these stuff, whether it's thyme, it's scallion, onion, green pepper. Wow, that's about the hot pepper. No, this is not curry then. We need to start this video over, man.
You know, like hot curry, you know.
It doesn't have to be hot, but I mean.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's gonna be a pepperless curry. Of course, you know, you do videos like these guys where, you know, they're real videos, I think, because other persons nowadays I find to be very sensitive. When I say sensitive, I mean, they grow up seeing things like chickens, you know, on a shelf. You know, you don't quite realize that, you know, it's a life, you know, a life is being given up to actually feed you, you know. So that's why for me, in this video, it's good to see actually where my food comes from, you know, apart from the fact that I've never seen, you know, rabbits being raised, you know, how they develop and how they're actually, you know, put on the table, you know. It's just a good insight to see stuff like that. But you know, I do understand persons are going to be very sensitive, very butthurt about a video like this. It's a fact. I'm sure there's going to be a couple of vegans who are just going to click on the video just to say something, because I mean, if you're a vegan, like, why would you click on a rabbit catch and cook? It doesn't make sense, right? But yeah, persons are going to share their opinions, and at the end of the day, I respect it. But the same way how, you know, you per se, you respect, you know, the way that you choose to live, how you choose to eat, I guess it's the same way that you have to respect others who choose to eat meat or, you know, choose to, you know, be vegans. It's one of those things. But yeah, we're getting ready to, you know, watch the preparation of this rabbit here and see if it's going to be a viable meat.
We can use that still. Hey, cause I plan to use this for cook the meat, and this for the dumpling.
Hey, some man that put only that for them dumpling, you know. So
we know that crepe.
okay.
We know that
Just
crepe.
double check.
Yes.
So Samuel look for so.
See, I say in the
country vibes.
Samuel, no country
They
man.
can't hold pan it.
A fraud
Yeah, man,
country
it's all
man
you
this
can.
one.
Yeah, man, a fraud country man for real, right? You know what you think, them, man?
Alright, here
Two
we
pot
go.
them can mash pan that, yeah.
Yeah, you can measure it up and it fits up.
Man, everything good.
Yeah.
So good look.
Other than that, then?
To cook
For yourself?
for myself, yes.
Oh.
Because based on the demand that we have to just sell off everything.
Yeah.
Right, so that's the problem. Most times we never have enough fit to cook for ourselves.
If you use too much of the curry powder, the sauce they get a little thick and grainy.
Yeah.
So I guess that's the next reason why I make you burn the curry out properly.
That's what I normally do. I normally burn it out. This thing better taste good, man.
Samuel the fireman. All the way. So the fire is ready and it's going.
Just waiting on the pot.
Just waiting on the pot. I like this, you know, teamwork, but the dream work.
Always.
So I have a question with the teamwork thing. So it's a 3 hour and 2 hour working.
Yes.
How does that play on one's mental space? Because
No man, everything is good enough. The thing is, at the end of the day, or in the night, we do most of all the work basically.
So
But
pretty much
he's more of a silent partner.
so he was that way from the beginning.
Yes, from the
Oh.
beginning. So it was always Oren and I from the beginning. So, you know, we just continue.
So do you guys do things like this? I mean, you guys have rabbits and... Because the thing is, you know, other persons like they see me do videos like these and they feel like sometimes this is just the world of every country, man.
No.
No, you know do them stuff here.
No, we don't do it.
So these things, when you see them on the videos, is just, how can I say, it's ways of stepping away from luxury.
Yes.
Yeah, and just coming back to these things. Because
Yeah.
if you think about it, primarily, if you were doing this every single day, it would get frustrating.
Yeah,
Because
naturally,
rain would have fall and
Exactly.
there's no comfort side. But when you do videos like these and you just go out and cook, it's more like a leisure type of activity than,
Just for leisure.
yeah, so.
And even then, we normally go inside and use the stove.
Exactly. But for me, I like an outdoor because you're saying, you know, you can't cook it inside, but I was like, no,
The
outside.
funny thing is that we want to actually do it like we want to get a jerk pan. So, you know, some Sundays we can just relax outside
jerk,
and just
yeah.
jerk and just, you know, enjoy ourselves. So, yeah, man, we're going to do that still.
So in no way, means, or form are we going to be eating mud.
Yeah.
But I don't know if it's done in any other country, but in Jamaica, we definitely put mud. I never saw the soap method before that you put the soap
mud and the soap.
together. So pretty much, you know, Jamaicans already know this already, is to keep the pot from burning severely.
Right, so it will help to keep the pot to clean. When you're cleaning afterwards, it will make cleaning easier. So we put the dirt on the bottom because we're using a wood fire. So we use the dirt and the soap.
So him know one thing, which is how to check the eye. Show it. Hey!
So anytime the oil a bubble, so
You know, say
oil hot.
Alright, so time to deal up with the food. You see me? Well, me personally, one thing that I know, it don't matter if you are an expert cook or whatever, anybody can cook. That sound like ratatouille, don't? You know ratatouille? That rule? Oh no!
No, is that booty? Is that
It's a joke, you made a good one. Alright, so babe, go do the whole curry burning process. Again, people who are from Jamaica, this for them is a myth. If you don't burn the curry, it means your stomach is going to hurt you.
Where's the rest of the garlic? What you do with it?
Oh, we never put the garlic.
I would love if the Indians, because I know I have a couple Indian subscribers, if you guys can tell us, like when you guys are doing curry, do you have to burn the curry as well, or?
You can't put it in right away, you know, you have to burn it little.
No man, we just bring it still fit. You know?
I used to like the small grains and whatever. When you burn it, it's mixture, like it's a little smoother.
Okay.
No, you are doing the cooking, but she's just helping him.
Yeah.
Sophisticating.
No. The only reason that he's cooking today, because he was almost forced or coerced into doing it, Because he was like, boy, I can't cook. So I say, yo, just try. Just do what you would do.
So lovely assistant Judah. Is the pot ready? Is the pot ready?
Eat a little bit more, man.
Oh, okay, thank you.
Pepper in there?
Country
Put a
pepper.
little pickled pepper in there.
Grace pepper.
I was going to put some.
Yes, that's fine.
big pieces really, you know.
Well,
No, I cut them in smaller pieces, but those are the two main big pieces. Yeah, this has a taste good, you know.
I can't tell you, it doesn't taste good, boy.
Yeah, let's stir it, man. Stir it up.
what is this piece? Got that in man.
That's part of the leg. That one piece of ribs. Samuel not rare too, you know. Oh man, a big up the chef. Hey, listen now. Hear what I need. Make sure you say holy for gravy today. Yeah. I'm gonna mash it down with the dumpling. Gravy, I got it there, man. Because you guys want caramel, because when you come country, caramel dumpling is, you know. Caramel.
I'm also a big fan of the curried again,
Oh,
so if
okay,
you get quality, it can be like
We don't have no caramel. Where caramel? Where caramel?
No, we just, you know, just a talk.
Oh,
Talk, you
okay.
know.
So we're making some flour dumpling now, so
man.
yes.
Water.
Yo, if you like flour dumpling or caramel dumpling, yo, drop it in the comments. Let me know what you like. But me personally, I prefer straight flour.
what kind of countryman it be? Is that a countryman?
Oh my gosh. Fake.
And the man, me
I
tell
have been indoctrinated.
the man say me is an honorary countryman. The man I say, yo, me a real countryman. Chill on, him come
You see, it's the worst I say.
You're not real. Remember, say them man, they say, yeah, man, dumpling in a master. Alright. So, for all those who don't know how to knead flour,
Just some more water. You know.
this is how you do it.
Why you never go in the kitchen though?
That may I say, no?
Can't let them video me, because catch me needing flour, you know, man.
You have to cook for yourself.
Okay.
So I have to avoid it at all costs, you know?
So the cameraman afraid to actually go in the kitchen and show nothing, because if his wife ever find out, nah, stop cook, then dead. But anyway, yeah, just to give you guys an idea of what it's like right now in Jamaica. It's pretty gloomy outside and it's a vibe, you know. Pot a bubble. This is typical just Jamaican life in the country for the most part. When I was a kid growing up, I remember going down to like the site where they used to be building on a house and whatever, and that was literally my first encounter with outdoor cooking. I can never forget when they cooked the tin mackerel, the dumpling, the banana, brother. One of the best dishes me ever eat, and that's why I said to you that it doesn't really matter if you're no big top chef or whatever the case is. You see, once you put in the right seasoning, plus the smoke, right? Yeah. Smoke itself is like a seasoning, and I tell no lie. It's like a taste good.
Look, oil dry out already too.
So
Or we can try to the pot want to balance some more, babe. Or?
this is my interpretation of relationships when we do new things together. This is our first time cooking rabbit. So
okay.
It's
I don't know what you're about to say.
No, rabbit. It's such a dynamic, because like last night we went out to do what again? We went fine dining, kind of whatever, uptown type of thing, and now we're there on a countryman flex.
We have the dough. So, where I go?
So I have a question. A lot of persons, when they're doing the dough, they worry about it being too tight. Your hand them look big, like you can, isn't it? Quick and easy and strong. So are you over kneading the dumpling, or are you adding tenderness to it?
Well, I know enough. When it come out, when we taste it, we will find out. We will find out. So this is the dough right now.
It looks good though.
Yeah, man. So we're going to break it up into several smaller pieces, which we will knead into the dumpling.
The real countryman then them have that by itself, you know.
Yo, countryman dumpling the small thing.
No, but when you
double it, man.
no.
Double it, bro.
Remember, say me have to look out for you, you know, Dan. No, I hit me attack. If it's too big.
Yeah, man.
If it's too big.
Specific, you know.
Alright, but he's giving me the approval not to double it.
No, well.
You see, he's just gassing me up, man.
The real board when I say I'm gonna laugh after you. Yeah, kind of say them man like a look at dumpling then. Yo, make it big alright. Just
No, Dan. It's alright, man. It's alright.
You know what me know what happen? I don't want the food to be that good that me go want more dumpling and can't get dumpling.
People,
That me feel it.
see with me here. Don't knock me dumpling too hard here.
it's a pretty stuff.
Remember guys, jump over to the channel JSH Rabbits. So I'm gonna show the logo so you guys can check up on especially if you're interested in how to do the whole rabbit business.
Or you just want to get some rabbits to eat.
Yeah, if you want to purchase rabbits. But you can't even supply them the demand.
Well, of course.
You can. Alright, so
yeah, we get in there.
They'll do it for you guys. So oil? Okay. So today I am just a passenger. Marianne, putting in the dumplings. Their own dumpling. And this is a moment in history enough for everyone to remember.
It was ruined.
They look pretty though.
The ringing of a cell phone.
They look really pretty.
I thought my face as good as they look.
How much dumpling at in the count? I know somebody I counted dumpling.
Tiny dumpling.
Don't.
You want this to the pot?
It's fine. I feel
Sure.
tired. I just
You
have
know
it so
that
it's
looking at somebody
funny.
using left hand is kind of weird though.
I know you were going to do that. I want to try a piece too. Do you want to try a piece?
First time.
First time curly ball?
Yeah, first time. I'm trying to see what it tastes like. It actually tastes like curried liver.
Alright guys, so the part that we've been waiting for, which is to actually, God is good and God is great, I was thanking for food, guys can do all our food, keep us out of the bread. Amen. This part here, eating, wow.
Let's try this liver part thing. It seems softer than chicken liver.
But surprisingly, you know, come to think of it, it actually tastes like chicken liver.
Chicken and bone.
Yes, if you think about it. You'd never know the difference.
Yeah.
I'm gonna eat a piece of the liver and see. I'll go try a piece of the liver now. Yeah, chicken liver.
Actually like it.
It's actually pretty good. Wow. So it's definitely just like chicken, but the meat is a little, for me, it's a bit firmer. Texture wise. So for example, if you're eating even the thigh would have like a breast texture.
Maybe because we kind of cooked it a little bit too long.
Possibly.
So now we know the do's and the don'ts.
But the flavor was really good.
Who remind me for add sauce?
Thanks to me.
You mean and Judah?
And the extra little seasoning.
And Judah.
I taught you well. I taught you well.
Yes, I know. Come on, liver, shot, man. It's kind of like you said, though, kind of firmer.
Yeah.
But it tastes good, man.
Yeah, the flavor is good. If you have had curry, yeah, it's definitely curry. Like real Jamaican things.
Yeah, man.
You have the cal syrup. Big up on yourself, Cals.
Yeah. Second best syrup in. Second best syrup in.
Which is the best syrup in Jamaica? Bulk?
Anchor.
Yeah, Anchor, straight up. Straight up.
You wait for a sec. Touch me.
Get
Touch
it
me.
two on and get up right in front of me.
A first person, touch me. A first person, I mean, to have good taste.
Get up right in front of me.
Because of us
Wow, that was a pretty good dish. Could I eat a couple more dumplings still? Is it? But yeah, it's a pretty good dish. What I did think about it is definitely like chicken, but yeah, it's a bit firmer. As we were mentioning before, and as I was thinking to myself, it's a kind of meat where you probably would want to pressure it a bit. Even though it's a younger rabbit and you don't expect the meat to be pretty tender, yeah, I'd probably pressure it a little bit to tenderize it, or you could probably brine the meat. If you brine the meat, you probably get it even tender. So yeah, it's a vibe. The dumpling them, yeah man, them good man. Them they come out, we could I eat some more still.
They get
That part,
the soot and stuff. Yeah. So that's why we use the dirt and the soap.
I knew about the dirt part, but I never knew about adding the soap to
Yeah,
it.
man, you can add the soap to it, man. When you're cleaning, just come right off.
Cool.
This is pumpkin, right?
Yes, babe.
Yes.
So we're just taking a quick look on where they plan to expand. So I was sitting down here and just having some convos and thing.
Pass.
I heard it.
Yeah, man. So the road come from up there. So
I know you have played with me.
So you see where you drive come down to our house. Instead of taking the left, you just go straight across and then you come down here.
Okay.
Right.
A nice size space.
Tell them what you guys have now. It's
They even kill rabbits. Yeah. And even cut them. And it was really
Thank you
good,
for having
man.
us.
Yeah, man. And next.
Alright guys, so them are runway now. That's you. Yo, Samuel,
Yeah, man.
it was a pleasure to meet you,
Man,
bro.
for real, man. For real.
And Orion,
Yeah, man. Big up yourself.
pleasure to meet you as well. Thank you for cooking. So, matter of fact, the proof is going to be in the pudding, you know.
Yeah.
So once my stomach doesn't hurt me tomorrow morning, then I can say I made indeed a good curry. But the food was good. I appreciate it, guys. You guys have something going on here, something really big.
Yeah, man.
Alright, guys.
Fix up your shirt.
See
so
you
that
there.
you
Check
can.
them
Yeah, man.
out.
Yeah, man.
JSH Rabbits. Check it out on YouTube. I'll drop the link in the description box as well. Alright guys, my belly full, so remember these three things. Love, nature, adaptation, and always remember, keep the link. Alright guys, so you're at the end of another cool catch and cook video. So right now I'm going to read out a couple of your comments from the very last video. But this part of the video is actually sponsored by Dashlane. Yo, I'm so happy that they decided to work with me after using their application. And they're giving my subscribers full 30-day premium access to the application. Now, one of the main reasons why I love Dashlane is I can't remember all the passwords that I have. Like, for example, currently I'm locked out of my TD bank account because I did not remember the password. Now, with Dashlane, you can choose to save any password that you find, you know, a bit difficult to remember, and you can have a master code to unlock that. So with Dashlane, you can easily click on the TD account, which I can do now, and get the password unlocked. So, guys, click the link in the description box. That's where you're going to have access to the free 30-day premium access to Dashlane. Anyway, let's jump into the comments. Alright, the first comment is from Pub7. He says, nice vibes bro, keep it up from St. Lucia. Yo, big up St. Lucia all the time. The next comment here is from Rambo the Gorilla. He says, "Send me some jerk sauce, bro." Maybe I should start working on one of those. Alright, cool. But anyway, thanks again Dashlane for actually giving full premium access to all my subscribers. Yo guys, jump in the link in the description box, you'll be able to access it there, and that also helps me and it helps the channel so we could do more cool videos like the catch and cook that you just watched. Anyway guys, remember these three things: love, nature, adaptation, and always remember, keep the link.